No woman needs to die giving life. No woman needs to die during child delivery. Hello, welcome to the video description of our project. The main problem that is addressed in this project is maternal mortality. The importance of addressing this problem is the reduction of maternal deaths in various countries if the problem is solved. The main parts in this project description are introduction, the main project scope, current progress, technology used, applicability of the project, and social and industrial impacts of the project. Introduction. As currently said, the main problem addressed in this project is maternal mortality. Addressing this project through this approach will reduce maternal mortality in various countries. Project scope. This is an e-health project. In this project, we are capturing the major four important parameters for any pregnant woman in any country in any area. These four parameters are blood pressure, body temperature, breath rate, and pulse and oxygen. It is expected that addressing the problem of maternal mortality through this project's approach will play a prime role toward reducing maternal mortality. Innovative aspects. In order to understand clearly the innovative aspects of our project, it is best to consider the next diagram. Now, the main innovative aspects of our project are diagnosis and creating awareness for the pregnant woman and the doctor. Now, how is it done? A woman takes her measurement, that is the diagnosis. After taking the measurements using this device, now we have called this device my detector, as the name displays. Why? Because we are capturing or we are detecting these four parameters. So this precious pregnant woman right here takes her takes her measurements. That is, she is diagnosed by the system. After taking the measurements, the system displays the results on the screen, which is right here to this pregnant woman. So this pregnant woman will be able, after taking the measurements, will be able to see the results of the diagnosis she has been taken. At the same time, the same results that have been taken by the device will be sent to the doctor at the hospital. The same results that are being transmitted to the doctor, the same data, the same diagnosis treatment from the device after being sent to the doctor, as we know, will be of two different kinds. The results can be normal or the results can be abnormal. Now, case one, when the results are normal. When the results are normal, at this cloud server there is a dashboard. This dashboard will be able to send the text SMS to the patient when the results are normal to the patient of the best approach that is need to be taken. Now, when the condition is normal, two parts are included. The first one, the system will have to tell important things to be done by this pregnant woman to maintain a better health condition. Also, number two will be able to tell what to avoid to maintain a better health condition. So we've seen two parts when the condition is normal. The system tells through SMS, the system tells a pregnant woman of the most important things to do in order to maintain the better health condition. Also, the system tells the pregnant woman what to avoid in order to maintain a better health condition. Now, when the condition is abnormal, when the diagnosis results are abnormal, the first thing is the message will be sent to the pregnant woman advising her to go to the nearest hospital. Also, the doctor at this hospital will be alerted. The doctor will be alerted of the condition of the pregnant woman. Now, the parameters that are being sent by this device will clearly indicate the location of the pregnant woman and her place of residence. Also, this doctor will be able to see, the doctor will be able to see and confirm that this pregnant woman right here have made her step to go to the hospital because now health condition is abnormal. She is in a bad condition, so she needs to take a step to go to the hospital. That is the responsibility of this pregnant woman. Now these diagrams right here, they don't confuse anybody. Why? Because the same route that is taken here is the same route that is being taken right here. The only difference is that this diagram is just present right here because various hospitals are being considered. Why? Because this is the hospital that is being taken based on the location of the pregnant woman. So if this hospital is closer to this pregnant woman, after the pregnant woman is being advised to take the step to hospital, so she'll go to this hospital. Also, in this case, when this hospital is closest to this woman, she will also decide to go to this hospital. Now we go to another part.
Let us look on applicability aspect of our system. To discuss this, I will answer the question how our system is applicable in our community. Question: our system is capable of diagnosing a pregnant woman by measuring important parameters such as blood pressure, body temperature, pulse, oxygen, and breath rate. Diagnosis process is possible because our system have ear shields embedded into Arduino Uno and connected to blood pressure curve and speedometer, which are in contact with the pregnant woman body. Also, diagnosis will be taken frequently at the residence of a pregnant woman to know their current condition and notifying them to visit nearest hospital when a measured value are not at normal level. This functionality of the system addresses the really challenge of most pregnant women who are suffering with problems such as hypertensive crisis, passed away because of reaching to the health facilities while they are in critical condition. Second, our system raises awareness of a pregnant woman by sending SMS that advise her on what to do and not to do when a blood pressure is not at a normal level. This comes to address the really challenge of most of pregnant women does not have adequate knowledge about what to do or not to do in order to maintain the blood pressure at a normal level. Let us move to the current progress of our system. Up to now, we have done with the database design, analyzing of functional and non-functional requirements, using case analysis, and last we have designed a system architecture for a project. The next step, we are looking to start the implementation phase of our system.
Talking about the technology used in this project, we'll use the Linux operating system for the server, and the hardware tools that we'll be using will be the Arduino Uno, the eHealth Shield, a blood pressure cuff, and the speedometer. The software tools that we use are the Arduino IDE and the GSM module. For the programming language, we'll use C programming language and the Python programming language. And for the database, we use the Postgres database management system. And talking about the social and industrial aspect of this project will enable to reduce the maternal mortality rate by improving the healthcare services for pregnant women, in enabling the medical practitioners and caretakers to better monitor their health problems at an early stage. And this will still be easier to check the health status of pregnant women on a regular basis through the record keeping on the server side. And also, this project will help raise awareness of less privileged women in remote areas, allowing them to be informed of their conditions earlier on, as they can take action to visit the health facilities before it is too late. Talking about the technology